Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Madison, and if not, welcome back. We are staying one night tonight at a Grand Floridian Lake View Studio on the DVC side of Grand Floridian. I'm going to take you for a room tour. We're in room 1610. Let's go. So we are in room 1610, which is, like I said, a lake view studio. There is quite a large entrance hall when you walk in, which you can just see here, and you can very clearly hear the boats. We're actually in a studio portion of a 2-bedroom lock-off. So this in here would be a 1-bedroom unit, and you can see that on the balcony as well. So if you walk in, you've actually, got 2 showers, which we didn't know checking in here. You've got like a normal stand-up shower that's a rainforest shower as well. And it's got really nice tiling on it and a bench to have a seat on if you need that. And then just a normal vanity, just the one sink, no fancy light up mirror this time, which is fine because I hate them. And you've got your bin and you've got some towels, and then these drawers just pull out here as well. And as always, you've got 2 plug sockets in here. And then if you switch, there is a door that pulls out. I don't know if I can get it right now. Yeah, I can't get it. But this would close and separate the 2 areas. But there's another shower, which is a tub shower, which you can just see here. So that's nice and big if you have anyone that's needing a bath. And then a standard toilet and towel racks as well. So you can separate these 2 areas and use both showers at the same time. Coming back into the hallway, the lighting is really bad right now, but we've got a storage closet that has 2 robes, which is exciting. You've got extra throw pillows and blankets, which I'll show you where they'll be used later. And then some shelving space here and some empty space here. There's also a luggage rack, there's an iron, and there's an ironing board, as well as some hangers and 2 robes, which is awesome. Then next to the closet space, you've got your kitchenette. So standard with a DVC studio, you get a microwave. There's some shelf space up here. And then in here, we're still doing the recyclable cups instead of the ceramic mugs and silverware. And then you've got an ice bucket, and you've got some tools up here, including a wine opener and a can opener, which is very important. And then, just like any traditional studio, you've got your toaster, you've got your jaw freeze bits, you've got your standard drip coffee, filter coffee maker, paper towels, and then a sink just to do some washing up. And then you've also got a bin and some extra paper towels, washing up liquid, and sponge down there. And then you've got your mini fridge unit. There's no freezer portion to this, it's just the mini fridge. And then moving on into the main space, it's actually really, really big and spacious. There is a queen size bed here, and then this sofa bed will pull out. You can move the tables to the side, and that will pull out into a full bed unit. That's a queen size as well. And then, per usual, we've got resort TV, and under the resort TV is the 5th sleeper sofa. So you can pull that down, and they've got really cute Dumbo artwork in there, and then this bar would just get brought down as well. And you've got your bed, so you can use all the extra blankets and pillows in the closet for this and for the sofa bed. And of course, you've got your table, you've got your chairs and your mirror that you can hang out in that area. One thing I will say about this room is that the plug sockets are sparse. So there are 2 down here and 1 single USB cord, and then we've got 2 over by the sleeper sofa, and then 2 over by the bed. There's some in the kitchen and in the kitchenette as well, but that is it for this room that I've found yet. Oh, just kidding. There's 2 down here as well. So sparse, and if you're looking for USB plugs, there's not too many. Then we have a lake view, so coming out onto the deck, there's 2 chairs and a table featuring Haley, and like the best view ever. You've got the wedding pavilion, the Poly. Out in the distance you can see the Epcot Ball, you can see Wilderness Lodge, and then the Contemporary and Bay Lake Tower. And just around the corner you can kind of see part of Magic Kingdom. You can see Space Mountain and the building that houses Tron. But that is it. So if you've watched this far, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll have 2 more room tours coming up soon. Until then, I'll see you real soon. Bye!